Hi, I'm Kim Brown. Glad you could join me today. Today I'd like to talk to you about familiar. Now, oftentimes when we're familiar with something, we think of being warm and cozy and comfy and safe. And while that is true, and over here that's okay, sometimes we develop a familiarity with things we don't want, but we don't know what to do about it. But our unconscious mind still tells us, this is comfortable. This is safe. So we never move past that zone. We never go beyond where it feels comfortable, because if we do, we'll no longer be safe. There's a story in the Bible that always used to irritate me, and it's one of a man who vowed to God that when he came home from battle, that if God would allow him to win this battle, when he came home, whatever came out his door to greet him, he would sacrifice it. Well, if sacrifice means kill, and I always wanted to say, excuse me, what do you think is going to come out your own personal door but your own personal family, friends, loved ones, animals that are yours? Well, and you're going to kill it? But we often do the same thing. We kill our dreams right before we get there because they're on the other side of that zone where we no longer feel familiar and comfortable and safe. They're not inside that zone. They're on the other side of it. Now, in video, I believe it was number 145, I talked about if you don't feel some tension on that rope, you're not going to get out of the hole. You have to feel the tension, otherwise you're just pulling rope constantly. The tension is what gets you out of the hole. If you could give yourself permission to go beyond that comfort zone, that's where your dreams are. This week, consider giving yourself permission to make a few changes. Sometimes we tell ourselves that change is bad or change is wrong, and change is simply different. That's all it is. So if you usually brush your teeth and then take a shower, this week, consider taking a shower and then brushing your teeth. If you usually sit in the same chair at every meal, sit in a different chair. If you usually drive one way to work, try driving another way to work. If you put on a sock and a shoe and then another sock and a shoe, try putting on both socks and then both shoes. Do something different this week to help establish to yourself that change is simply different. Change isn't wrong, change isn't bad. And I will tell you from personal experience that the most amazing experience I've ever had is the experience of changing my mind. And you can have that same experience as well. You really are worth it. Thanks for watching this video. And remember, no matter what you've experienced in the past, today is a new day. See you next time.